welcome back to Cozy Home. Ryder's here in the background with me. We are going to be doing some laundry today. I hope you guys get tons of motivation. If you did, hit that like button, leave us a comment below letting us know what you guys are doing today on this beautiful day. This is our last day for our kids to be in school. Ryder is actually supposed to be in school, but he's playing hooky, or he's skipping his last day of school because why not? He's not going to be able to do that stuff normally, so we're going to go ahead and allow him to do that. Did you guys ever skip school? I remember I skipped school and I felt so bad. Like, I had to go home. I went home and I told my parents, my mom, I was like, Mama, I skipped school. And she was just like, what? I think she ended up grounding me for like a day and a half. I can't remember for sure. Mom, let me know what you thought about when I told you I skipped school. I remember I was so upset with myself. Anyways, I totally got off topic. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Jacqueline. I am so glad that you decided to check out my channel. If you guys enjoy cleaning videos, cooking, a little bit of cooking, and decluttering and organizations, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know that you're new here, and so we can get to know each other. I would like you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. That helps my channel to grow, and you leave a comment. It actually lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my my videos. Even if you don't want to leave a comment and you're not comfortable with it, hit that like button. It also does the same. So I just want to ask you guys one more thing. I know I'm rambling on today. If I hit 500 subscribers, I'm trying to get my community tab. I would love to get my community tab, but we made a goal. Me and my husband made a goal. If I make 500, I will be able to get me a steam mop, and I wanted to get a steam mop for a long time. I just don't like going out and spending money because I'm a penny pitcher. So I made a goal. If I hit 500, I will be able to go get one. And then if I hit 1K subscribers, I will be able to go get me a Cricut. I've been wanting one of these since came out. I've always wanted one. I just haven't wanted to spend the money because I like to spend money on my family instead of myself. But if you guys could hit that hit that subscribe button to help me get to 500 so I can get me a steam mop, and if you guys want to help me get all the way up to 1K so I can get me a Cricut, I would appreciate it, and I would love to show you some ideas what I want to do with my Cricut. I do have a few ideas I want to do with it, so yeah, I'm excited. So I ask you guys, please hit that red button. It is free. It is not gonna cost you anything, just you clicking a button using your little finger muscles. But anyways, I already started one load upstairs. That was Ryder's bedding. I'm gonna do the bedding today, but I'm also going to take it outside so it can dry. Do you guys have plans for this summer? What are some of the things that are you guys going to be doing? Are you going to spend the time at a beach, a pool, or go on family vacation? I believe we're trying to go on a family vacation. Not 100% sure on what our dates are going to be yet, but we're going to be going on vacation. And this summer, I did want my kids to come up with a skill, or they have to learn one thing new this summer, so they're not just sitting around playing video games or being lazy and not doing anything productive this summer. So I'm making them come up with their own thing. I think Jean wants to learn how to do pottery, and so I told her she has to get the items list of what she needs and how much it's going to cost, and on what's the step-by-step instructions and stuff like that. And Logan said he wanted to learn how to roller skate, I think it was, or skateboard. I can't remember which one it was, but those are the skills that they want to learn how to do this summer. I think with Ryder, we're gonna have to come up with something. Maybe like set the table. Maybe practice more on making his bed, because he used to do it a long time ago, but I kind of took over that again. So maybe we get him to do some chores. He already does great on cleaning up his room at nighttime. Maybe we just need to make him do a little bit more, like put laundry away. That would be something I could start doing. But yeah, so what are some of the goals that you have for your kids and for you guys to have for this summer? I would like to know. The clothes that I'm folding right now is about 3-4 loads of laundry that has just been sitting in a basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold these all up and put them away right away. Only ones I'm not gonna put away are jeans and Logan's items. They could do that themselves, but I'm gonna put the rest of them away just to get it done and over with. One of my goals for the summer is to not leave laundry baskets full of clean laundry. Maybe some dirty laundry, but not clean laundry. So as soon as it gets done with the dryer, I'm trying to get in the habit of folding them right away, or as soon as I take them off the laundry line from outside, I'm trying to fold those also. And then also put them away, because I've been really bad at just having piles and piles of clean laundry laying around. So I'm trying to get in the habit and get the love of doing laundry.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
Now that I put all the laundry away that I have folded, I'm gonna go up and do a load of laundry and then take the blankets out of there and take them outside.
Emotions, sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like that.
Here is a basket I had gotten at the $5 and below from Target. I thought it was so cute. I think it's a great thing for me to hold my clothespins. And then I also wanted to share this clothesline that I had gotten from the Target. You could get it back in the laundry section. I believe it was like $8, maybe a little bit more. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. That was Brody trying to get a bird in the backyard. I got this for like $8, maybe $12 at the Target. It extends about 12 feet, but my distance was a little bit longer than that, so I just grabbed a little rope to tie on here, but it still works really great. over the weekend our dryer had decided to take a kabunk. It's okay, my husband had fixed it, but we were out of a dryer for like almost 5 days, I believe. We just had to replace the belt and this little wheelie thing. I'm not for sure what it was called, but the wheelie thing is what took the longest to come in from Amazon. But we fixed it. Actually, my husband fixed it, the dryer. So, but as we were doing that, I had bought this, and I bought some other drying stuff, racks, so then we could dry our clothes. But anyways, I really love this.
You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, over no. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay guys, thank you guys so much for joining with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this laundry motivation. If you guys did, hit that like button, leave me a comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Our goal is to get to 500 so I could get a steam mopper, and I hope you guys help me with that by subscribing to my channel. If you guys are interested on how to make homemade cleaning products, let me know in the comments below. I had found a book at a thrift store on how to make cleaning products homemade, and if you guys are interested, please let me know. I'll love to make videos on that. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed weekend, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!